Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel order on Zomato. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to cancel an order on Zomato efficiently, it's crucial to act promptly as the platform only allows cancellation within a limited time frame. So Zomato provides a 60-second window immediately after placing an order, during which you can cancel without any complications. So for this, you need to simply ensure that you are logged in into your account and navigate to your orders. Once you're here, you need to simply select the order to cancel. After you have done this, choose a specific order to cancel, and this option is typically found in the top right side of the corner. After you have done this, simply select Chat with Us to start a conversation with the customer support and inform the support agent that you wish to cancel your order and provide a valid reason. Now follow any additional prompts to confirm your cancellation, as there is no typical button to simply cancel your order without any hassle. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.